Hey neighbors, what's up? I don't think I even planned to vlog today, but on Sunday morning, heading to church, and I'm outside now because the babies are fussy, but preaching going on, and the message is choose to love. I know it was timely because this morning coming to church, driving along, and somebody scraped the car. So I am pulling over now. The person just drive past me, then start overtake, and and honestly, my initial instinct was to drive. I actually started driving him down until I realized that the entire family's in the car, just cool Paul. So I chased him for about probably 400 meters. And then I just say, you know what, I'm gone. And it took me a couple minutes to calm down because in my mind you play out a scenario. If you get to confront him, and I had to just settle myself because it wasn't pretty stuff, wasn't good stuff I was, thinking through in the scenario, because just give me the courtesy of stopping. That's all. Stop. Tell me saying I'm gonna pay for it, but at least stop. When I look, he just held his head straight and drive past, and it infuriated me. But the message today is what choose to love. Whether people do things that you like or not, choose to love, because it's a command from God. It is the greatest commandment. Love God with all your heart, all your soul, mind, strength. Love your neighbor as yourself. So for the person who hit the car, yeah, I'm letting it go. But honestly, neighbors, it wasn't an easy thing, and I'm glad that the family was there. Because otherwise, if they weren't, I probably would have continued driving them down, and I don't know what would have happened. Anyway, choose love this day, choose love this week. And that's the encouragement from Paul today. So, I don't know if we're going to even vlog for the rest of the day. Say maybe a new day in the next 5 seconds or what, but had to get that in. So let's continue the vlog. Yeah, that's Tina telling me that I can fit in gym and barber in lunchtime. She's right here lying down. You see yourself? Hey neighbor, so I'm over the car thing now, for the most part. I was driving yesterday on the way home and I was actually drinking some water, driving and drinking, which I don't recommend. It's water though, it wasn't any alcohol. But I was drinking, taking a sip of some water, and I gave somebody a blight to turn into a gas station. And I was drinking and I saw that it was the same model and make of the car that hit us the morning. So I did this. And looking up, but then the license plate was different. Yeah, that was kind of a subconscious thing because, Chelsea, come out to the shot, please. Chelsea, you know you hear yourself, man. So that was kind of subconscious because I wasn't even thinking about it top of mind, but it clearly was a thing at the time. But I'm over it now, new day.
Except that you're still talking about it.
Just to update them. So, new day, and I have an important thing to do this week, to start this week, and that is to head back to the gym, which I have not been to in about 3 to 4 weeks because I got sick in December. So, I should start back today. Do I feel like it? No. But there's one thing that I can use to motivate me. I'm going to show you right now. Leftover Mexican food from Chilitos.
I don't think it was supposed to be eaten cold. I mean, reheated, not this, because the cheese melted and then the lettuce got cooked in the
It
microwave.
used to be tacos, like a soft taco.
And a hard shell taco.
But it was...
It's now all soft.
Yeah. It was in the fridge and warmed it up a while ago to inspire me to go to the gym.
Well, you can have all of it.
You don't like it look?
No thanks.
It's not that she's trying to be nice, she just don't like it look, she just don't want it. That's why she's giving me all of it. Right?
I'll eat my trail mix and go for a nap.
Okay. Right, so I'm going to eat this. Hopefully I feel the vibes. And what's the gym in Spanish?
Jim. Yim.
Yim.
Him.
A boy a la him. That doesn't sound too right.
Gymnasium.
I was just making things up. But anyway, food time, then gym time. Oh, and on that note, remember to like the video, subscribe, share, whatever the other YouTubers say, remember to do it to this video. Comment, that's what I'm saying to don't. Comment. And let me know what your New Year's resolutions are. I'm not a New Year's resolution gym guy. I've been doing this, you know, since 2022. But I'm just starting back now. Anybody in the neighborhood has a New Year's resolution to go to the gym? Stick your hand up and let me know how that's going. Got my protein powder and my water. And we're off. But one of the reasons why I have to start the gym today is because Leila and Zahra brought home this paper last week, I think Thursday. And let me show you what is on it on April 5. See there, April 5? Sports Day. And that just means one thing, that this father is getting ready for the parents' race, because I've been waiting all my life for this, people. To go to a sports day and win the parents' race. That's my next goal in life right now. To be the winner of the parents' race. The fastest father in the school. And then my other ambition would be to become the PTA president. Maybe not at this school, but someday in the life of the children. But no, the mission is to give them something to brag about. Them go to school the next day, it's like, yo, my father's the guy who won the race. You know, that kind of bragging rights is invaluable. I'm going to give that to them. So I know the win will just come to me. I have to go and get it. That's what I'm prepared to do. Squats, deadlifts, hammer curls, bicep curls. You will recognize me by April. What are you saying? You want to hear about my days at sports day at school? No man, I wouldn't want to put it through. Alright, I'm happy you asked. Let me tell you where it did go, because it was the last race. It was the last race of the day. The title needs to be decided by this one race. The crowd was going wild. There was a deafening silence across the stadium. And so when the crowd going wild and there's a deafening silence, the crowd going wild, it would have done it. But there's a deafening silence. My memory is a bit shady. It's a bit shady, but the point is 4x1 relay is important to finish the event. I was on second leg, and so we're off. And my teammate running coming up, but him the baton in last. I get the baton in last. There were 3 houses. I got the baton in last place. And I just remember receiving the baton, and I mean, you couldn't tell the difference between Paul Reed and Usain Bolt at that time. I attacked the curve, and by the time we emerged from the curve, I was leading the pack, much to my surprise. Woo! Wow. If you think the stadium was shocked, man, I was like, where's everybody? I passed. Oh, them telling me I just say, Paul, just keep it, maintain it, you know, hand over the baton in first, and I did. I handed over the baton in first place, and I won the race. So when I'm talking about winning at sports day, it's not just talk, you know. It's it's action, not just a bag of mouth. You understand? So I know what it takes to win. I know what it takes to win. I'm a champion, so I'm just going to go there and do my best and ensure that I'm in tip-top shape for that time. I'm not sure if I can take it in the gym. It depends how crowded it is and so, but just know that when this clip finishes, I'm going to be doing some serious work. Whether you see it or not, just know that it's being done. Our neighbors. Oh boy. Don't laugh at me. Yeah, I hate the gym. I hate the gym. I hate the gym. Basically, every time I come here, I ask myself why I come here. But sports day, I have to be prepared for, guys. Yeah. Why this look worse than yesterday? You look more pronounced than yesterday, don't you? Straight down the door, almost reached the driver door. So this is the part of the vlog that say hi neighbors.
Hi neighbors.
Alright neighbors, so this is the part of the vlog that, you know, gets kind of awkward because hold on, don't tell me what the blue car yet. In the last vlog, I misspoke, you know. You know when you just misspoke. So I made a comment that I would like to withdraw. It went something like this. As a matter of fact, next video I'm going to dance for the neighborhood. Next video, me, Leila and Zahra are going to dance for you. Promise. If you don't see it, remind me. And if you know me, you know that you have never seen me dance. You've never seen me dance.
Whoa.
And so I'm putting it to the neighborhood to accept my apologies for making that statement and just forget about it. Forget that it ever happened. And we can move on. No need to actually deliver on what I said. So you can vote if you're in agreement with that. Failing which, if you're not in agreement, then you can drop in the comments which dance you want to see me do. But again, the option is there for you to just accept the apology or move on. Otherwise, no chance to do. Otherwise, let us know what dance you want me to do. Whether it's bones, something from ding dong, stir fry, curry chicken, whatever the dance them name, or something more back in the day, like a scare or something. As a matter of fact, we're going to do it. And the dancers are here. The ravers, Leila ravers, Zahra ravers, because they started dancing last week, remember? So, as a matter of fact, show me what you learned in dancing last week, Leila and Zahra. Get up. Come show me what you learned in dancing last week. You do what?
You cool off.
You cool off? You cool. Okay, what else? Show me what kind of dance move you learned. Oh, that is stretching. That is the stretching, Zahra. All right, Zahra, you first. Go. Jingle bell, jingle bell, da da jingle. Okay. That's the jingle bell. Okay.
I don't know what my song is.
All right, come. You don't have to know the song. Just show me the moves. Come and show me the moves. Show me your. Zahra, hold on. It's Leila's turn now. Leila, show me your moves.
Well, I don't know what the other songs are named.
It doesn't matter. Just show me the dance move. Dance.
But I don't know what is the rest of the dancing.
It doesn't matter. Show me the part that you know.
I want to do Zara's dance.
Okay, the Zahra's dance. That's no problem. Jingle da da, jingle da 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 da. Okay. So Leila and Zahra are going to save me. We're going to all learn the dance that is most popular in the comment section. If nothing is suggested, then great. But if something is suggested, many times, then I mean, we'll deliver. But other thing I want to just comment on quickly. Have you heard about the Usain Bolt thing where he was robbed, basically scammed? I don't know what you want to call it. He had 10 million US in his account, 12 million US in his account. And all of a sudden, it turned 12,000 US. So he moved from 2 billion Jamaican dollars to 1 point something million Jamaican dollars. It's pretty crazy. And as far as hit and run goes, that is a very big hit and run, because the person hit him, take away money, and them gone. No arrests have been made so far. I think they identified somebody, but there's nothing conclusive so far. The neighbors are in the screen.
In the screen?
You can see them, but they can see you. Tell them hi.
Hi.
Alright, now they're going to talk to them, okay? Yeah. It seems pretty crazy now, but when they grow up,
I
you'll understand more.
don't see them.
You don't see them? You want to see them, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to ask them how we can see them. How you get to see us and we don't get to see you? That's just Leila is wondering. Why is it that we're talking to the neighbors and we don't see the neighbors? Huh?
Daddy.
Yes.
Daddy.
Yes, Ava.
That.
Okay. So, affiliate for Bolt and all the other individuals who are swindled of their money. It's evil. Not even, no two ways about it. It's evil. People work for their money, put up their money, and you just help yourself to it. It's not, it's evil. Anyway, neighbors, depending on how the comment section goes, I may have to leave now to go and practice a dance. But regardless, I hope you've been having a great week. We're okay. A bit tired, but we're okay. And we'll see you in the next vlog, God's willing. Alright? Bye. Tell neighbors bye.
Bye.
Tell neighbors bye.
Bye. And I don't see them.